Hey guys, what's up? It's Muaaz here and welcome back to another video. So if you're a YouTuber that's watched a bunch of how to grow on YouTube videos, and I'm sure you've heard everyone saying that networking and collaborating with other people are some of the best ways to get started, and honestly, it's the truth. So I personally think that collaborating and networking with others can be probably like the most influential way that you can grow your audience on YouTube or Twitter or whatever you're using, but with that comes a ton of questions like how do I find other people to collaborate with, what kind of people should I be messaging, and a bunch of other stuff. So that's basically what I'm going to be covering in today's video, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Before the video does start, I want you guys to go and comment below who is your dream person to collaborate with on a video. For me personally, I would love to collaborate with Mr. Beast and Nadeshot. Those are probably my favorite creators on YouTube. Also, if you guys could hit that like button if you guys do end up enjoying the video, then I'd greatly appreciate it. You guys hitting that like button is a small thing from you guys, but it really does mean a lot to me. But anyways, let's get on with the video. Also guys, I'm so sorry for not using a face cam in this video. I know I've been using a face cam a lot recently, but it's like 2 AM when I'm recording this video, and I really just don't feel like cleaning up my room just to record the face cam and then going back into bed right after I'm done. So I hope you guys can forgive me for this one. But anyways, the first thing I want to mention is obviously you want to set yourself up to be in the right position where you'll have the most opportunity to find other people to network with. And usually what this means is that you want to try being active on multiple communication or social media platforms. So for me personally, I really like to use Twitter because it's probably my favorite social media of all time. If you guys aren't already following me, then I'm going to have it on the screen right now. I tweet some pretty funny and relatable stuff sometimes, so I'm sure some of you guys will enjoy following me. Anyways, moving on from that, the next one is Discord, which is definitely something that I was personally late to the party on, but I've been using it a lot lately to talk with a ton of my viewers in my server, so definitely download that software if you haven't already. Also, I am going to be going more deep into detail on Discord, Twitter, and all that stuff later on in the video, so don't worry if I'm going by too quick. Anyways, my Discord server is a place where you're not really allowed to self-promote yourself, but you can join it and meet other people who watch my videos, and if you guys end up getting along with them in like the public chat rooms, then you can maybe personally message them and see if they want to collaborate, as long as you guys do make similar videos. So I'm going to use this quick little part of the video to like do a quick little self-promotion, but I highly recommend you guys join the server if you haven't already. We have about 800 members right now, and it's just a bunch of people talking about their day, a bunch of people talking about making YouTube videos or streaming, and a ton of other stuff. Anyways, moving on from that, the last social media should be the one that you actually create content on, whether it be like YouTube or Twitch or whatever it may be. Just make sure that you're active on at least 2 out of those 3 in my personal opinion. But anyways, before moving on to the next step, I just want to make sure, because this is one of those things that you just can't stress enough, if you're truly serious about wanting to network and collab with other people, then you really have to be in it for the long run. Networking and collaborating with other people is more so building like an actual relationship or a friendship with that person, instead of just telling them to look at your channel and then you do the same for them. If you actually want to build proper friendships with these people, then they'll help you grow while you help them grow. It's really as simple as that, and that's basically what collaborating is meant to be. So let's say for example that you make Fortnite videos and someone else makes Fortnite videos, but you both have different people watching you guys. If you guys made a few videos together as genuine friends just playing the game and enjoying each other's company, your viewers are probably going to go and subscribe to the person that you're playing with, and their viewers are going to probably come to your channel and do the exact same thing. This way both of you guys are growing, sharing an audience, and building a real relationship. Alright, anyway, so moving on from all of that, I'm going to start off by covering YouTube first of all, or like Twitch or whatever like platform you're normally using to actually make content on. Then I'm going to talk about Discord and close off the video with Twitter. So just like I said before, these are my top 3 best places to go when you're looking to make friends with other content creators. So anyways, obviously you're already on YouTube, but just ask yourself, are you truly using it the best way that you can to make new friends and meet new creators? The answer is honestly probably no, and that's totally fine. That's probably why you're watching this video. So to get started with that, think about what it is that you yourself do on YouTube or Twitch or whatever it is. Do you make gaming videos or gaming content? Are you a live streamer? Do you make like cooking videos or nature vlogs or reaction videos? Whatever it is, in the end, you still belong to a specific community with a bunch of other creators, and you just might not know it yet. So think about it. There's probably a bunch of other people on YouTube that love exactly what you love, but you just haven't really met them. So really all you have to do is just take the first step and reach out to them. I'm sure you're thinking like, Muaaz, how do I even reach out to these random people? How do I even find these random people? And trust me, those are great questions. So what I recommend doing is during your free time, look up videos similar to the ones that you make yourself. So let's say that you make Fortnite gaming videos, and of course when you search up Fortnite gaming videos on YouTube, you're gonna see a bunch of huge creators who will probably never respond to you if you ask them to collaborate with you. But the best thing to do is hit the filter button in the YouTube search and then sort it by upload date. And what this does is it changes the search. It changes the way that the search results are actually displayed, and it will show you the newest videos just uploaded with a similar title or similar tags or descriptions, or even the newest streams that are currently live right now. And I know I'm using gaming as an example, but this really works with whatever genre you make videos in. So like let's say you make cooking videos and you made a video on how to make a pancake, search up how to make pancakes, then or like a cooking tutorial on how to make pancakes, upload it by like the recent upload date, and see if you can find some other channels that are around as big as you are. And if you're interested in building a relationship with them, then go to their video or their live stream, introduce yourself without really like self-promoting or coming off as spammy, and just overall try engaging with them. Basically what I'm saying is participate in their chat, comment on their videos, follow them on Twitter and all that good stuff, and if they do the same to you, then that's it. From there you guys can start networking, start collaborating, and you've basically just made another friend who likes the exact same stuff that you do and is probably going to support you just like you support them. I know that YouTube can be a lonely road when you don't really have friends that do it with you, and trust me, I've experienced this like firsthand. I only have a couple of friends that do YouTube as well, and most of my friends just don't. So this is like an easy way to make a couple new friends that literally do the exact same thing that you do. Also guys, before I continue on with the video, if you're really enjoying the video, I would appreciate it a ton if you did hit that like button. Like seriously, I think this is one of my best videos done, like informational wise, I guess, if that makes sense. So I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, but it's all good if you don't want to. Anyways, moving on from that, we've got Discord, and one thing I didn't mention before is that most somewhat established gaming YouTubers and streamers already have Discord servers to interact with their fans and viewers on. But one thing I noticed is that people outside of the gaming space that don't really have Discord servers. Like I don't really know many tech YouTubers who have Discord servers, or reaction YouTubers, or cooking YouTubers, or beauty YouTubers, and things like that. So go ahead and make a Discord server if you're like definitely like, if you have like a somewhat established audience already. But when you're first starting out on YouTube or whatever, I really don't recommend making a Discord server right away, but definitely go and be active in other servers so that you can build a name for yourself. I'm personally active in like a ton of Discord servers, including my own, which I'm gonna have linked in the description below. I'm also active in the 100 Thieves Discord server, which is an esports team and a lifestyle brand made by my favorite YouTuber, Nadeshot. I'm also active in Pokemon's Discord server. I'm not too sure if you guys know who she is, but that's like the love of my life on Twitch. Alright, I'm just messing. Well, actually not really, but anyways. Make sure that you try joining other Discord servers of YouTubers that you personally watch, but also YouTubers that you're starting to network with and collaborate with, because if you engage in those servers and talk a lot of those viewers are gonna start to remember your name, and that's just a big step in the right direction. Basically what I'm trying to say is, if you help grow another small streamer or even a big streamer's Discord server and overall a community by being active, then they're more than likely gonna end up doing the same for you. Even if they're really big, if they see that you're always showing love, I'm sure they're gonna go out of their way to show you love as well. But it's really more important like when you're a smaller YouTuber networking with other smaller YouTubers or smaller creators, because then if you're showing support to them, they're gonna do all they can to show support back to you. It's just usually how it works. Everyone is always about growing together in the small like YouTube space, if that makes sense. Also, please don't take what I just said as me thinking that I'm bigger or better than anyone. I personally think that I'm as equal as any big YouTuber or any small YouTuber. I really think that everyone is equal, but basically what I'm saying is all coming from personal experience when I first started out on YouTube and I was looking for people to network with and collaborate with. And here's what I really like about my personal Discord server is that a lot of my viewers who are active in there end up building friendships with each other, which then ends up with them making videos together or even playing games together and things like that. So just make sure that you don't go into every Discord server and link your channels or self-promote, because then you're obviously just gonna end up getting banned without warning. Like I said, this like whole networking and collaborating thing is a long-term thing. You want to build relationships that have a true value to them, not ones where you guys just only use each other for personal gain. Like this is a great opportunity where you can literally make friends with other YouTubers who are interested in the exact same things that you are. So anyways, moving off of YouTube and Discord, the next thing we have is Twitter, and basically every streamer or YouTuber already has a Twitter account and will have it linked somewhere on their page already. You can find a bunch of other small streamers and creators of all sizes on Twitter just tweeting about like random things like YouTube videos or streaming or TV shows that they like or whatever it may be. So basically what I'm saying is go out of your way and follow them, interact with their tweets by leaving replies or even hitting the like button, interact with some of their followers too. Like on my Twitter personally, sometimes when I tweet something like funny or inspirational or whatever it is, I'll get a decent amount of normal replies from my followers, but I'll also get some of my other followers responding to something else that a different follower of mine said. I know that's confusing, but one of my followers is responding to another one of my followers who's responding to me, and through that they can build a relationship and follow each other and maybe end up collaborating or maybe becoming friends or just playing games and things like that. So if there's a small YouTuber that you found and you like after using the tips that I showed you on finding like small YouTubers in the beginning of this video, shoot them a tweet and follow them and let them know that you enjoyed their new video or their new stream, and they'll probably end up doing the same thing for you over time as well. And another cool thing that you can do on Twitter is, let's say that you're a streamer or YouTuber and someone you've never seen before comes and comments on like one of your videos or types in your live chat or something like that. Of course, make sure that when they're in your live chat or like when they're commenting on your video, you make sure that you talk with them while you're live, or you respond to their comment when they do leave a comment. But even after all of that is said and done, go out of your way and find their Twitter or something, like whether it's an Instagram, a Discord, or whatever it is, and just shoot them a tweet or a message just saying, hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Like I personally will literally still do this to this day. I DM a bunch of my random viewers that are always active on my Twitter, just letting them know that I appreciate them always showing love to me. and just shooting them that small message personally just seems to mean a lot to them, and building those small bonds is literally what it's all about. Like on my personal Twitter, I'll get a decent amount of likes on most of my tweets, and at the end of every day, I'll go through and see whatever I tweeted that day, I'll click it, go to my likes, and I'll just scroll through, and I'll just tap on random profiles and just DM them saying, hey, thanks so much for being active on my Twitter, thanks so much for supporting me, and things like that, and that just helps me build conversations with people, and just build those small bonds, which helps people stay more active on my streams, on my channel, on my Twitter, on my Discord, and things like that. So anyways guys, I really hope you guys did enjoy the video. This is gonna wrap it up for me on how to find people to network with and collaborate with on YouTube. I'm sorry that I didn't use my face cam, but I'm literally recording this at like 2 or 3 a.m. right now, and I really just did not feel like cleaning up my room for the video if I was just gonna hop right back into bed right after this. So let me know if you guys did enjoy the video, and let me know what other videos oh my god, I can't talk. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see like this, and please, if you did enjoy the video, remember hit that like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel, since we are on our way to 200,000 subscribers, which I still can't believe, and all help is appreciated on that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.